First of all, I would like to define the age, what teenage is. The age between 13 and 19 is said to be teenagers, and before the age of 13 is said to be preteens. There are a lot of problems where teenagers are facing right now. I would like to name a few: depression, distraction, addiction, and loss of confidence. I would like to start with depression. First of all, people don't even know what depression is. Just they blindly name it depression. For example, if a girl or boy is not able to do his homework, I know people who say that, who name it as depression. If he or she cannot wake up earlier, they name it depression. So the word depression is spread all over the world, which people don't really know what it is. So this should be taken care of. And next is distraction. People in the sense, teenagers get distracted by various means. First, here the trust is the important word here. They have to be careful in who they trust, and there are a lot of reasons they get distracted. One main reason is the friendship of people who are not really good and who are not having their characters good. They can cause problems in the entire life of a teenager. For example, if, as Kiran already mentioned, there are a lot of people being possessed in drugs or something like that, even in social media. So even though there are distractions, you have to be careful and you have to focus on goal. Next is addiction. There are a lot of areas where teenagers get addicted. One important means where everybody gets addicted is mobile phone. There are various.
Okay.
Great job,
Nice. Nice topic.
Nice topic.
Thank you.
Super ka, very well done. Very nicely done.
Thank you.
So I'm giving 30,000 bonus for the topic choice.
Thank you.
So the positive body language has been improved. So hey, அழுகுறியா? ஏன் கண்ணுல தண்ணி வருது? கண்ணு வருது.
இல்ல கண்டிப்பா
I'll put it on hold. Tell me the reason why you are feeling emotional. No, you did not. You did not. You will not be putting down India as well. Anyway, future la vandu nee andha mari pannu. It's okay. Relax. You did not put down India. There has to be someone to say that. Yeah.
Don't make us laugh out. Hey. அழகு மாறான சிரிக்க.
That's okay. That's okay. பரவாயில்ல. உனக்கு இப்போ நீ இந்த ரீசனுக்காக நீ அழுகுற அப்படிங்கிறது that is a good learning system.
மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் மிஸ்டேக்
Very bad way. So I really appreciate that. Good. அது என்ன சொல்றது? நான் ஒரு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, you can take an Indian from out of India but you cannot take India out of an Indian. வாழ்க்கையில சாவர வரைக்கும் நம்ம அப்படித்தான். ஓகே. ஸோ யாருக்கிட்டையுமே நம்ம வாழ்கிற வீட்டையோ நம்ம வாழ்கிற ஸ்டேட்டையோ நம்ம வாழ்கிற கண்ட்ரியோ விட்டு கொடுத்து பேசவே கூடாது. இது வந்து உனக்கு எப்படி வந்ததுங்கிறது தெரியல. இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி நீ இருக்கிற அந்த சிட்டி பெங்களூரில் வந்து பசங்க ஈஸியாக, பெங்களூரில் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த கிட்ஸ் வந்து அமெரிக்காவில் செட்டில் ஆகி பல வருஷம் இருந்து அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்தவங்களுடைய பசங்க பொண்ணுங்களாக இருக்காங்க. அதனால் அவங்க நேச்சுரலாக வந்துட்டு இந்தியாவை தப்பு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஏன் நெஃப்யூஸுமே அந்த தப்பு பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அவங்களே இதே மாதிரி தான் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். அவ்வளோதுக்கப்புறம் இப்போ நான் ஒன்றும் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸோ இதை சொல்லி திருத்தி அவனுக்கு சாரி சித்தப்பா அப்படின்ட்டு போயிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அவனுக்கு வந்துக்கிட்டு அடுத்த வேலையை பார்க்க போயிட்டாங்க. ஆனால் நீ அழுகு. ஸோ அவங்களை விட நீ பெட்டர். ஓகே,
சூப்பர் பிரணா.
யா, அமெரிக்காவில் வாழ்ந்துக்கிட்டே நான் சொன்னதை பற்றி கண்டுக்காம அமைதியாக ஒருத்தி லேப்டாப்பில் உட்காந்து நான் பேசுறது கேட்டுக்கிட்டு இருக்கா. நீ அழுகிறீங்க.
அவளுக்கு பிடிக்காது.
ஏன் உனக்கு யூஸ் பிடிக்காதா?
இந்தியா கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது பிடிக்காது.
So it's not like I don't like US, it's just that I'd rather be in India, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, cheer up. All right? Don't worry. Okay. So, as far as Kalvita's presentation is concerned, she spoke about a very important nucleus called as depression. For that, the structure, for that, the illustration, I am giving 2 points. And the topic coverage, yes, she could have had a little bit more time If she had been having more time, she could have spoken a little bit vast also, but nevertheless it was a very good coverage, so 2 points for topic coverage. Body language, it was a little one-sided only, the eye contact part. She spoke to Mitra and she spoke to me, of course, but in the beginning, first 45 seconds she was entirely focusing on this region, so I'm giving only 1 point for eye contact. So the structured presentation, yes, she had notes written down and she had a proper plan. That dedication has to be merited, so 2 points for that. Once again, I'm coming to that. So, positive body language, very powerful, very confident. She has a little bit of a brim voice like that of Kiran's voice, that is, what to say? Ganamana voice, Kalpita voice. Mitra voice is shrill irukadu. Adhaadu decibels adhigama illama oru soft on a voice, but she raised that for ensuring the depth in the topic. Yeah, so that big. So 2 points. So 2 questions are pending. One is Hariharan and one is Dakshin. First come first serve. So Hari, your question starts.
For this in the life
Time for 3, 2, 1, go.
use of depression, addiction. So for that, what is the solution for it?
Solution for depression.
You said depression, addiction, but not the solution.
Okay.
It's all about we taking these steps now. If you know what you are addicted in, nobody else knows in what you are addicted in. So it's all about you taking steps. If you are addicted in mobile phone, you have to reduce your time. So in each and everything, you can take your own steps now.
Section.
So, Kalpita, if one of your friends is suffering through whatever distractions and other stuff you mentioned, how will you counsel them and bring them out?
So now first I will say all the negative benefits of that plan so that they can at least know what it would lead to, and I will give some positive messages also now, like I believe in you, you can come out of that, and motivate him or her. And I would suggest her to motivate herself instead of someone else going and motivating her. She or he can motivate himself.
Okay. There you go. Handling questions well, so 2 points for question handling. So, 30,000. So 11 out of 12 and 30,000 bonus and a very strong position.
Very nicely done.
Thank you, Kiran.
Okay, so now, and by the way, Pranav Rajeshwaran earns 10,000 bonus. So please note it down. Hariharan is the next hot podium.
Thank you.
All the best, Hariharan.
Kiran, you raised hand. What is it?
No, sir, I just wanted to ask a question, but Dakshina and Hariharan are already asked, sir. So no.
Okay. I'll give a chance to ask Hariharan. So your question is already registered.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. What are you?
Sir, Karol Sir wait பண்ணிருக்கான்.
2 minutes, 3, 2, 1, go.
Good evening, friends and trainer. Now I am going to speak about the small things.
Come on,
Pass one. Let's see. Sumar, it's going to jeopardize his performance. Since he now, after an mark and okay. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
Don't underestimate the small things. The small things will be cause the big damage, like the pandemic situation, COVID. It is a very small. It is very small thing, but it can damage the world. And like that, phone also. Phone is just a machine. It can take our data also. It can take the world itself into the machine. So we should not, when we short persons will be thinking that we have a tall, short, we cannot be achieving things. The small things will be achieving more power and COVID.
Pandemic situation வந்து உனக்கு ரொம்ப சாதாரண
That's
small.
what it is.
Exactly says that virus is small, sir, but the entire world.
The entire world is getting damaged because
Super.
எனக்கு எப்படி சார் think of it? எவ்வளவு seconds?
59. One left என்னோடல.
so examples and illustrations as Kalpita mentioned 2 points for that. Your body language with the open hand gesture. Open hand gesture is a very important element in body language, so you are using that, so 2 for that.
Yes, sir, we need to speak for that.
Yes, correct.
It is not like that.
Correct. So, 1 coin in topic coverage because almost a minute is remaining. You could have wrapped it up. Another 2 coins topic coverage, 2 minutes, so 1 coin. But again, this ideology, அதாவது சின்ன விஷயத்தை நம்ம லைஃப்பை பாதிக்க விடக்கூடாதுங்கிற அந்த பாசிட்டிவ் திங்கிங் அண்ட் கிவிங் 30,000 bonus. And structured presentation, you had a pre-plan. ஒரு motivational talk மாதிரி நீ கொடுக்கலாமா நீங்க கேட்ட. So I'm giving 2 coins for structured presentation. Eye contact, yeah. So Kalpita Mitraவை நீ அதிகமாக நோட்டீஸ் பண்ணல. கிரணுடைய லேப்டாப்பையும் அதிகமாக நோட்டீஸ் பண்ணல. பிரசன்டர் வந்து யார்கிட்ட இருந்து மோட்டிவேஷன் நிறைய கிடைக்குதோ அங்கேயே ஐ கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ உனக்கு எனர்ஜி இவங்ககிட்ட இருந்து அதிகமாக கிடைக்கிறதுனா நீ அவனையும் பார்த்த, பிரணவையும் பார்த்த. அதனால் 1 காயின் தான் கொடுக்க முடியும். ஸோ
எதை வேணாலும் பார்த்துக்கலாம்.
Kiran, would you like to start the question for him?
Okay, sir.
Go.
So Hariharana, there's this quote that I'd like to say. It's called even small things can make a big difference in the world. But the example that you gave about COVID now, that made a huge difference in the world, in not necessarily in a good way. So say this was like a force. Just take it into an animation kind of thing for a second and think that COVID is like a bad force and there's something, the good force is out there. So would you point at a small thing, like a very tiny thing could stop COVID, or what would be that small thing in this situation?
Can I talk about the small thing will be of more power, not the bad thing of the COVID. COVID as smaller than like an atom, so it caused many people's death also. Professor. So like that,
Come on.
and many things in the world are small, but they are facing the big challenges.
So there is still 1 more question. Pranav asked.
Harina, you said COVID is a really small thing, but I guess many people don't see it as a small thing. It's like the most dangerous thing in the world for everyone because it's destroying the world. Okay, so I'm just telling you, why do you think that? Do you think that God has given this virus, or it has automatically came?
I think it's God gave us. We destroy the earth almost, and we have put the air pollution and the land pollution, water pollution, and we covered plastic with the land. So COVID plays the role as we covered with the plastic bag.
Super now.
Okay, so because of that last part, you earn 1 more green. So,
Wow!
12 and 30,000.
Thank you.
Mitra is next.
Come on,
All the best. All the best.
Is the life? only manage it.
So 2 minutes time for Mitra's presentation. Second round, 3, 2, 1, go.
So warm greetings to one and all present here. I am Mitra to present here about one major topic, that is the present life. How are you going to handle this stress? Because these online classes are causing many problems in our health and in our surroundings and to the whole world. So how are we supposed to balance it, and how we should not get stressed? We should always have stress buster in everyday life. So maybe watching some entertainment movies or doing some therapies, because therapies gives us more relaxation and at the same time it gives calmness to our mind. And whenever we are stressed or tired about thinking or reading something, when we go into the therapy like also taking like 15 to 20 minutes nap, will always refresh your mind and you will be able to wake up. That was one of the things that I did today morning. So coming to how to handle this, the one best way to handle this is scheduling your life. So always in many videos, many motivational videos that I watched in YouTube, the one solution that they gave to balance the exam schedule and their homeworks, their online classes, in every video the one thing was preparing a schedule. That is the schedule, things to do, breaks, what should I do, then I should mute my phone because the notifications should not pop up. So these are the things that we should do. Coming to scheduling, whenever you wake up earlier, if you sleep earlier at the night and if you wake up earlier, that gives you more strength. You will be able to cover up the portions, and that portions you cover up will always be in your mind. Then we go for sports and work out physical strength, and we come back to our home and we start attending our online class sincerely and responsibly. So when we are attending these online classes with the responsibility, you will be able to cover up all the portions, and that will be a great thing. If you are not able to be responsible, then that's going to cause a huge impact on your life in the future. So these are the scheduling tips, and always it is
Done. Nice presentation.
Thank you.
Out of curiosity, I'm asking, basically the last topic also was very similar. Why did you choose the same topic?
Sir, that topic I gave it as outline, sir, that is do scheduling, sir. But in this presentation, what I...
So you wanted to take it as an advantage so that you can explain more.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good job, Ka.
Thank you.
So first of all, I give these 2 coins for your energy, positive body language 2,
Thank you, sir.
topic coverage 2, illustrations could have been still more better, so 1. Eye contact was very good, more than even the last time, so I'm giving you 2.
Thank you.
And structure was also very well planned, the little things down,
Thank you.
and I would like to give 40,000 points.
It's 11.
Yeah, 11.
Super, Mr.
Thank you, Kiran.
2 questions. Questions is that 1. Okay. Turn out 2. Question.
Yeah. So, Mitra, in this pandemic situation, as mentioned about the online classes, people get a lot of distractions because they have nothing productive to do and they indulge in phone. So, what tips will you give to them to distract their distractions?
Distract their distractions now. Always, so we went on to the 5 things that we should do every day now. That was a major therapy now. So in that we had a column how to handle the distraction now. There's important and urgent now. Important but not urgent. Not urgent but important. Not important, not urgent now. So whenever we are studying and if our mind triggers it, we have to go and look at your phone. Now the main thing you have to do is mute all the notifications now, number 1, because phone is the biggest distraction it is ever in your life now. So number 2, when if you are getting your mind triggered about you have to go and watch the phone or see the notifications now, you have to think whether it is important or urgent at that time according to the task that you are doing, the reading, the next day exam, this schedule, that schedule. Based on that, you have to plan and name it as whether it is urgent or important, and so on with the other 4 matrices now. Thank you. Thank you.
So, Akka, you told we need to have a schedule in our life. So, if it's a proper schedule, what will be your schedule?
My schedule, what I prepared was the first two tasks I have mentioned: waking up, then going to sports test and online class. So in the break, what I have scheduled is doing my homework.
homework. So when I do my homework and I complete my homework, after my class gets over to 1:40, you know it, right? 1:40, I'll be able to relax for some time. I could go or play football or just watch some TV, and then I can get back to my work once again. If I don't do the homework in that moment, it will be pressurized. That is one of the part of my schedule. And also the sport time that I mentioned in the last presentation. With that, this class, I'm taking notes. I must have mentioned in the last presentation, there are 2 students who take notes, and I keep taking notes and homework, which is a part of my daily schedule now.
Right. So, 11 coins and 40,000 words.
Sir, you just put. I saw football.
Yeah, this one.
Sir, it looked like you just had it.
Yeah, I added this
Sir,
one.
12, sir.
11.
All two ra.
Oh, okay.
இன்னைக்கு நான் வந்து எக்ஸாம்பிள் சஜஸ்டேஷனுக்கு நான் ஒன்று தான் கொடுத்தேன். கொஸ்டின் ஏதாவது எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுப்போம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தேன். பட் ஷி வாஸ் ஃபோக்கஸிங் ஒன்லி ஆன் தட் திங். அதனால 11. எல்லாருமே 11 தான் வாங்கியிருக்கீங்க.
Yes, sir. No, I got 5 and cannot forget.
Yeah. So, last but by no means at least the second one.
Yes, now.
Thank you. All the best. Thank you. Thank you.
All the best now.
Thanks.
Alright, time starts now. 3, 2, 1, go.
War doesn't determine who's right, it only determines who's left. People initially they used to go over war at pointless things, and war also sometimes epitomizes injustice.
Pass back. Time போடுங்க.
Podcast sir.
ரெஸ்யூம் ஒரு ப்ரெசென்டர் வந்து பண்ணக்கூடாத ஒரு விஷயம் லீன் பண்ணாங்க சோல்ஜர் மாதிரி இப்படி நிற்கணும் ஷோல்டர் லெவலில் காலை வச்சுக்கோ ஷோல்டர் லெவலில் காலை வச்சுட்டு ஸ்பைனல் கார்டை வந்து இந்த கழுத்துலேருந்து ஒரு ஹார்னஸ் கேபிள் போட்டு இழுத்தாங்கன்னா நீ எவ்வளோ ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக நிற்கணும் அந்த மாதிரி இப்படி ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக நிற்கும் முன்னாடி ஓப்பன் ஆகி
Okay.
டிபெண்ட் ஆகும் முன்னாடி
Okay.
ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு
Thank you, sir.
3, 2, 1, go.
War doesn't determine who's right. War only determines who's left. So, good evening, one and all present here. Today I am going to speak about 2 contradicting topics, war and peace. So, war also epitomizes injustice. In World War I, for example, Germany was declared guilty of aggression after Germany lost the war. Countries like England, France, who were the opponents of Germany, they forcefully made Germany sign a treaty named as the Treaty of Versailles, and everything was against Germany. They had to pay some forfeiture stuff like surrender some of their forts, and they had to pay for the losses suffered by the Allies. So this was the one triggering point which sowed the seeds for the Second World War. Germany wanted revenge, and then they attacked Poland, and World War II happened. So here we know how injustice is highlighted in wars, and due to wars it's not the soldiers or the governments who suffer the most, it's the common people who suffer the most. So statistics show that in both the world wars, the number of people who are affected were more in number than the number of soldiers or the government officials who are directly or indirectly affected by it. So I just want to say that wars are pointless, and right now everyone realizes it. That's why the United Nations organization was actually formed after the failure of League of Nations. So now people have started to realize that war doesn't give any sort of solution to any problem whatsoever. So now I have to highlight the important things of peace. Peace represents a pigeon or a white dove flying over the sky, and it represents freedom and limitless possibilities. But war, it epitomizes a dark fire breather which is ready to swallow the whole world. So that's all what I have for you today. Thank you. Thank you.
Great job, ma'am. Great job,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir. Thank you.
So, first of all, the topic was really nice. Very inspiring topic. 40,000 bonus. Topic coverage. Yes, you spoke about war, but it was hanging in balance at the end. I don't know why. So can you explain?
So I want to finish.
Okay. So for now we will keep it as 1 point for topic coverage.
Okay.
Positive body language 2. Eye contact. This example and illustration was really good. So the topic itself at Germany's example was a very impeccable example. So there is no doubt about obtaining 2 points for that. Eye contact was also really good. So 2. Structured presentation. Yes, it was a structured presentation. I'll be doing a big mistake if I reduce mark in structured presentation. So I'll give
Thank you.
you 2.
Super.
Any questions? Any questions? I have a question.
Sir,
Kiran, you have a question?
No, sir.
sir, I have.
Then why are you raising it?
No, no, that was raised way before.
Sana, so normally this is altogether a question, not from your presentation. So if every country, a hypothetical situation, if every country is choosing to go in the peace path, confused path, and not going into the war, let us be away from them. Let us always concentrate on our works and our subjects and our ruling power. So what if they think then what will be the effect in the whole world now?
So that's a nice question, Mitra. I'll take this opportunity to explain more about peace, which I wasn't able to do in the topic of it. So the only reason why countries need peace is to avoid war. Oh.
Yes, right.
I didn't clean it.
What?
Yeah. So negotiations are always possible, and negotiations are much better than war. So if countries choose to go in peace, then there are chances that their economy is more stable and it won't take a hit because of the expenses on the military stuff and other things like that. So I think peace is the most important thing in the world right now, and that's why you could only see countries doing Cold War. They just accuse the other country of doing something, but they don't have the guts to go into the battlefield and do something. So that's...
So after the world wars, war has not been a real way of settling the disputes between 2 nations or multiple amount of nations. China has always been having the war mindset. Indonesia, China, and a couple of other Asian countries have always been having war at the back of the mind. So now, Australia, countries like US, any other USSR nations, if we call, and European countries as well, they have taken this DNA of thinking about war for settling disputes out of their mind these days. Their entire etymology of war has been changed. India is only in the peace talks. Although our Prime Minister Narendra Modi celebrates along with the soldiers every Diwali, he gives a speech to the soldiers that remain silent. If someone is really pestering, give them a fierce reply. That is what is the war battalion mission of our country. But there are other countries who are always sharpening, and I think countries like Belgium, Germany, China are spending their national budget, every year's national budget, at least 45% of the national budget they are spending in buying weapons for war. The defense ministry is taking most of the 40%, whereas India spends only 13.5% of Indian national budget towards buying the war mechanism, machineries, tanks, weapons, and defense minister spends only very little. Do you think it's the right culture that some countries are always aiming and they are ready for war, and India being a little bit mellowed down as far as war is concerned?
Sir, I think it's a very good step, sir. So I'll go back to history, sir. After the Second World War, sir, the world was divided into 2 power blocks, sir, USSR and USA, and the other countries were just taking sides, sir, and they were just doing Cold War, sir, and India started the non-aligned movement at that time, sir. They said that we won't align with anybody, we'll like to remain neutral and we like to remain peaceful, sir. So that's the same policy that they are adopting now, sir, because in World War II and World War I, sir, the race for armaments was a big race, sir. So all the countries were stockpiling weapons and they were ready to attack, sir. So I think staying away from that sort of mindset can prevent wars.
Good job.
11 points.
11 coins and 40,000 bonds for Russian.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Super now.
Thank you.
7:30.
Children. So, everybody, now put a cumulative calculation of your own scores and let us see the journey of every candidate now.
11 times.
Sir, from the previous round as well, sir, or just from this round, sir?
No, totally in the hot podium exercise. Totally, everything inclusive. Everything
Okay.
inclusive.
41 coins and 70%.
Sir, 27 coins and 7% bonus.
20,
7 coins.
27 coins and
70%.
70,000 bonus is Pranav's number.
Super.
Okay, not bad at all for the first ever hot podium presentation.
Great job.
Thank you.
Super, Pranav.
Good job.
And 41 coins and 70% bonus.
Pranav.
And
41 coins and 70,000 bonus. That is a major improvement in the hot podium presentation.
Super now.
There were occasions in the month of May 2019 where Hariharan never wanted to stand behind the podium. And I still remember there was a forum called as video presentation when Hariharan was hesitating.
and 2 times thank you.
2 times he hesitated, he got
Blast
blasted.
and boost.
He got blasted and that was outside this hall. And some old lady is sitting outside.
Yes, sir.
Bonus.
Yeah,
So he got blasted outside. So